Hey, what's up YouTube? So I finally got the throttle body back from Ktuned, installed and everything. So this car hasn't been started in a while, so I wanted to give you guys a cold start, see if you guys want to hear how it actually sounds with a K20 with a stock MR2 exhaust. So it's just a stock RSX header with I think 2.5-inch piping, so it's not really that loud. It's actually pretty quiet. So I'm gonna give you guys a cold start real fast. I don't know, something doesn't sound right. I'm gonna turn it off. Something sounds weird. Seems like it got worse. That's not good. Let me check out everything. I don't know, I'm kind of getting discouraged with Ktuned. It took them a month just to send me back some more garbage. I calibrated it perfect this time. It actually did go to 4.9, but I don't know, something's still not right. I've been messing with this throttle body for like 9 months now, and just kind of getting sick and tired of it. So I don't know, I guess I gotta hit them back up and see what's going on, because I mean, now the car runs worse. I mean, it doesn't even seem like it wants to rev up at all. They should have just sent me a whole nother different throttle body. I don't know why they even tried giving me the same one that's fit. There's just a flaw in the throttle body. I mean, like I said, I don't know if anybody else is going through these same problems with Ktuned or anything, but I don't know, they just should have sent me another one. And doing all this back to back, talking and trying to fix this, it's pointless. I've been through like 3 TPS sensors, spent over like $400 on those. Just the time of the car just sitting, it's been sitting way more longer than the swap's actually been done. So I don't know, man. I don't know about Ktuned. I mean, their customer service just sucks, but I mean, in the past they've had good parts, so that's the only reason why we chosen this throttle body. But it's a more cleaner look, as you can see. I mean, if it worked, it'd be a good product, but it's just like, it's holding this car back. I mean, this car should have been already at the track already doing some things, and I mean, I don't know really what's going on. So hopefully they can just take it back, or just get our money back or whatever, and just call it a day, because it seems more like, I wish I just had a stock throttle body from an Accord maybe. They're kind of hard to find, but I'm gonna probably look for one of those, and just so I don't have to get like a spacer, because that's what the look we were kind of going for, is to not have a spacer. Since this is an RBC manifold, you gotta usually have a spacer so you can adapt it to like an RSX throttle body. So I mean, probably now thinking about it, I wish I would have just went that route. This car would have been done, and probably would have already been turboed, and you know, just way more different stuff. But now it's just back to, let me see if I can try calibrating it. Sometimes that helps too, when you actually press the throttle full throttle and let the ECU read it. I'll do it twice. So you basically just hold on for about 10 seconds or whatever, and then let off, and then that should be like a new calibration. That then the TPS and the ECU are together. So still sounds like crap. Yeah, I can't even give it throttle now. It's bogging out now, so. As you can see, I mean, the motor sounds perfect. It's just the TPS. I mean, everything on here is good. But the exhaust is just total misfire. It's just all the sensors clear and everything before, so I mean, it's not like there's compression. This is a JDM K24, so I don't know. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'll let you guys know. Hopefully we can find a stock throttle body and just get the situation handled. So that's what I'm basically gonna do. Just get a throttle body and call it a day. So stay tuned for the MR2 part 3 throttle body going back to stock. So stay tuned and subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys later.